Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to get Ublock origin back and working on the Chrome since the latest update, which was like I think 2 days ago or something, blocked the Ublock origin fully, and you cannot enable it anymore. As you can see, the thing to enable it is like unavailable. You might have done like what it said, like to remove it fully, because you cannot turn it on anymore. So here's a workaround I found online, so hopefully this helps you guys. Also, I'll show you what to do if you have deleted this file already, the install extension of the Ublock origin. Now, if you don't have like the custom presets, blockers, whatever filters, you can just do fine with the Ublock origin Lite, which is version 3, which is compatible with Google Chrome, and you can use this one just fine if you're just like browsing. It should do its job to like block ads and stuff. Maybe not all on like YouTube and stuff, but everywhere else it should work. Or you can just use any other browser, Opera, Vivaldi, Firefox. They all still support Ublock origin. It's just the Chrome that is pushing the anti-adblock campaign. Here's what you can do if you have deleted the extension. So what you can, I'll simulate that now. I will remove the extension from the Chrome store. Also, you can get the light version here in the official Chrome store. So what you want to do is Chrome flags, type in this Chrome comma / flags, and once you're in here, what you want to do is type in temp and then disable temporarily unexpire M137 flags. This will be set as default. Click enabled, and once you've done this, click relaunch the browser. It will relaunch the browser and you should be back in here. Once you're in here, now depending on your Chrome version, there might be different versions of which you have to disable. So type in here, next is MV2, and then extension manifestation deprecation warning stage set as disabled. Next one is the extension manifestation disabled stage. Also click disabled. And the extension manifestation unsupported stage, also click disabled. Once you've done that, click relaunch again. And the last thing you have to do is type in mani and find manifest. Find this allow legacy extension manifest versions, and you have to enable this and then relaunch the browser again. Once you've done this, if you have not deleted the extension from the extensions in Chrome, you should be able to enable it to work, but I've deleted it now, so I don't see it here. So what I will do is you go back to GitHub. I will link the GitHub link of the Ublock in the description. Look here at the releases. It says 5 days ago, 1.65.0. Click on this and scroll down. Since we're using Chrome, we'll download the Ublock 165 Chromium zip. Click on that. Download that. Let it download. will open it in a new window. Go to downloads. You have to extract it. Once extracted, it will be like this. It will say Ublock Chromium, and it will be in downloads Ublock Chromium. So once you've done that, head over back to the extension tab. Once you're in here, toggle this on the developer mode. Click this. And once you enable developer mode, you should be able to install Ublock Origin manually. So the next thing you should do is click load unpacked, and you should find this Ublock Chromium 165. Double click on that and then click on this, select folder, and it should be on. As you can see, there are some errors within it. So what you can do is click on errors, and it says manifest version 2. Just click clear all, and then head over back, and that's it. The Ublock should work. Let me try something. Let me try some site or something. New York Times. Let's see. I don't know. Some site which has a bunch of ads. As you can see, there are like no ads on the sides. So that's it. That's how you enable the Ublock. Don't click this because it will like reload it, and then there will be errors again. Like it will say like errors, and then you have to clear them all again. But it doesn't matter. The main point is that it works, and this will only work until this like workaround will only work up until the version of Chrome, I think 1.4 or something, which is in like 2 updates. I think it's like 137 or 38 now. On 140, I think they will like delete this way, like to block the flag. They will like delete the flag workaround. So I don't know, I will try to look up or be on the lookout for the new ways to fix it. But yeah, hopefully this helps. Comment down below if it helped. If it didn't, I don't know. There's always, you can always use different browsers, Brave, Opera, Firefox, etc., Vivaldi. But yeah, I'm still sticking to Chrome because I don't know, it's like the easiest, it's the default, you know. I use it on the phone and everywhere. I just grew to love it, but hate it at the same time because it's like trying to just push ads on you constantly. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully this video helped. Bye bye.